The moment you try this method for your cup corset, you won't want to go back. Now let me show you an easy way to make your own cup from scratch. First, rule a straight line to serve as a guideline. Go ahead to mark bust points and under bust points and then connect with a straight line. Next, go ahead to mark nipple to nipple divided by 2. Mark that on all the lines and then connect with a straight line. Next, measure the difference between under bust and bust points and then place the tape on the bust point and mark what you got upwards and then also connect with a straight line. Next thing to do is to mark the nipple to nipple measurement on the side, okay, of this line and then add half inch to that because the bust is usually fuller on the other side. Go ahead to mark your dart on each side of the dart line. You can use 1 inch, 1.25 inches or 1.5 inches depending on the bust size. Then go ahead to mark 1 inch on the line, okay, from the bust line down and then on the sides of the bust line as well. Mark 1 inch. Mark 0.5 inches on the center front side of the bust line up and down and then on the side as well. You can use 0.75 depending on the bust size you are working with or 1 inch and then connect it to the 1 inch that we went out by. So look closely to see how this was done. Next, I'm going to mark 1.5 inches from the 0.5 inches on that point. I'm going to mark it like so and then I'm going to go in by 0.25 inches and then I'm going to connect that with a slant and then on the side I'm going to go in by 0.375 inches and then I'm going to slant it like this as well and then I am going to go up on the side by 0.25 inches and then I'm going to connect that to the center front like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to connect my points, okay, with a curve. I'm going to be connecting this with the curve part of my ruler and then on this side as well I'm going to connect to the curve part of my ruler and then I'm going to trace this out. Okay, I'm just going to highlight my lines and then I'm going to cut out. Make sure you label your cut part so you don't get confused when you are joining. So after cutting this, I'll be using this to draft the main piece. I'll be dropping a detailed tutorial on this on my YouTube channel. The name will be in the caption. Do well to subscribe. So after cutting, I'm going to go ahead and close up the dart, okay, using my tape. And like I said before, your size of dart depends on how deep your cup is going to be, okay.